Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of July 18th. And I'm going to be using this kit called Ice Cream Truck from Simply Smith Stickers. So we have the check boxes here, the little pattern boxes, and they do include little deco, which is super cute. Lots of ice creams. We have the scripts here. We have the appointment labels and some washi. We have these little boxes that cover up the calendar, some more little strips of washi, and then flags, and then of course the date covers. So I also have this little freebie that she was doing at the time that I ordered. So it just comes with a little bit of deco and then a couple more pieces of washi. I did pull some scripts. So something new I want to do this week is just kind of show you how my last week planned out. This is another kit by her. So on Monday, all things went according to plan. I did go see my best friend and her two little babies, and then I did do the machines this day, but then I kind of fell off track because I don't know. Who wants to stay at work longer than you have to just to work out? But I'm going to try to get back on it next week. I did get some happy mail. I took a little nap. I marked here that my best friend went back to work after having her baby. I had another huge class, and then I did make a new song. And then on Tuesday, my middle child ended up being rushed to the emergency room because we were outside, and he jumped off of our porch and he stepped on some little tube and it cut his foot open really bad. So he did have to go get 6 stitches. I did some yard work, took a nap. I did do a little bit of arms here just at home. Like, I have a pair of dumbbells. I think I have like 5, 10s, 12s, and then 15. So I just did a little 20-minute workout. Same with Thursday. I did mark that I rebandaged his foot. So he has to wait 10 to 12 days to go get his stitches taken out. I had to go to CVS 3 different times because they kept messing up on his prescription, and obviously he needs antibiotics. My dad ended up getting COVID on Tuesday as well, so I did take him some groceries, just kind of threw it in his house. I didn't go in, just, here you go, here's some food, here's something to drink, get some rest, and that was fine. Today is Saturday, so it's technically Sunday, it's midnight, but I slept on and off all day today. I had the worst headache ever, so after work, I just went to bed, and my husband's home with the kids, so it worked out. So right now I'm doing my plan with me. We do have my son's birthday party tomorrow. It is supposed to rain, so I'm really hoping it holds off. And then my health tracker, doing good. Lots of steps this week. I don't track my steps on the weekend, but it's doing fine. So I am going to lay down the kit just like last week, and then we will get into the planning. Alright, so this is kind of how it turned out. I just changed my first hour here because I do wake up early to go to work at the Y, and then my AM and PM routines. I did go ahead and put my Instagram, my to-do, and then the summer break stickers. On Wednesday, I don't work, so I did put that down a little lower. And then I went ahead and did my health tracker, which ice cream and health tracker doesn't make sense, but I'm doing good. I'm doing really good this week on my eating. I've actually started logging all of my food, so that's kind of different, like scanning it into the app and, actually seeing portion sizes. So that's a little different for me, but it's good. So I'm going to start my day working at the Y, and then I do have to work my other job, so that's going to be at like 9:45, like so. And then I do have a dentist appointment. I went and got my back molar pulled a couple weeks ago, and so it's all healed, and now I have to go get a filling, but they wanted to do that one first because it was a little bit more bad, I guess, so we need to do that first. So I do have a dentist appointment, and then I do have a bar at 6:30. So I'm going to grab one of these little dots here. over this way because my son also has his basketball practice from 6 to 8. Like so, and I'm just going to draw a line. And then I will probably work out before bar because I'll drop him off. He usually likes to go like a half an hour early. So I'll probably drop him off at 5:30, get about 30 to 40 minutes of a workout in. And that'll be good. My husband is off that day. And we need to take out trash. Like so. And then, wait, he's off. Why did I grab that one? Who knows? It's midnight, people. And then I think that's it for Monday. Oh, we do have a birthday. So it's actually my husband's best friend's birthday. I'm going to put this down here. These little little hashtag boxes are from Planner Kate. So I'm going to put that. We actually have a couple birthdays this week. And then I'm going to put the weather up here. I've been doing that last week. And then, like I said, any workouts for here. So I think that's it for Monday. Tuesday, same thing. So my hours are definitely going to switch at the Y. So I'm not even for sure because I have to get the kids to and from school. Because since we live in town now, the buses won't pick them up, which is dumb. But anyways, so we're just going to have to work through that. I think I'm going to work out right after I get off because my husband will be home still, so he can get up with the kids and stuff. But then he does have to go to work. So that's at 3, and then my dance class. Let's get a blue circle. And I am going to be adding Friday classes starting in August. I asked my class, that's really crooked. I asked my class if they wanted a Friday class. Of course, they said yes. So then I asked them like what time, and the majority of them said keep it at 5:30. I used to teach class at 6:30, which I really like, but I get it that you want to be home and do all the dinners and stuff. But usually we eat dinner when a little bit before or a little bit after Cruz goes to work. So because they're up early, my kids. So I'm gonna do that. I think that's it for Tuesday. Monday, I forgot I need to do groceries after I get off of here because we went grocery shopping for the party and I didn't grocery shop for this next coming week. So gonna do that. I think that's it for Tuesday. So Wednesday, I don't work, so I am going to hopefully sleep in a little bit. My sleeping is so messed up. On average, I probably get 3 to 4 hours a night. Like it's draining. I can't sleep at night. I've always been a midnight worker and I don't know. I just can't sleep at night. And then my husband, he's on third shift, which is going to change now. So I usually stay up and talk to him during the night. So it is what it is. But hopefully we'll get back on a different schedule here when he goes to first shift. So I do have a bar, 5:30, and then basketball practice again. He had a blast at practice. So his coach last year, why did I put that all the way there? His coach last year was not great. Like, his communication was awful. He did not treat all the kids the same, which I get it. They're getting older. You have your favorites, whatever. But, like, this guy, we had words. It was not good words either. So, this is a different coach, different year, and he's super excited about it because he's really good at basketball. So, he didn't even want to play this year, and I'm glad he actually did. So, this is Wednesday. Cruz is off on Wednesday. And then we will go to Thursday, and I do work at the Wellness Center. So, little story about my son Kason and his stitches that he got on Tuesday. So I had just taken a shower. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Just taken a shower, and I went to go to the porch because it was nice outside. And kids went out with me, whatever, they were hanging out. I'm sitting on the porch swinging, and all of a sudden he starts crying. He said, I stepped on a can, my foot is bleeding. I said, okay. So I went down, checked it out, and it was just like running off his foot. So I carried him inside, put him on the kitchen table, and I'm like yelling for my husband because he's on his game. He games. And I was like, we pat it dry with a towel, and it's my cousin's birthday on this day, so I'm just writing that in. I'm sure you can see. Pat it with a towel. I open it up, and it's deep. Like, it's a chunk of his skin is missing. I was like, he has to go to the hospital. Like, this is not bandage worthy. He needs to go to the hospital. So I wrapped it up in a towel, put a sock on it, and let's see. I think we're going uptown this day. Sorry, I gotta focus here for 1 second. So my husband's off. So the reason I picked this kit is because our town is having a fair. So I think we are going to the fair this day around lunchtime. Anyways, so we get to the ER, wait an hour to go back, which is typical for my little town here. It's great. And we get back there. The doctor comes in, didn't say a word to me. He looks at him and said, Are you in pain or something like that? And Kason's like, well, yeah. And he puts gloves on, goes to his foot, like presses into the foot where the hole is, and then covers it back up with the towel we had and just leaves. Didn't say a word, nothing. And comes back like 45 minutes later. They were not busy at all. There was 3 people in the emergency room. We saw them all come in. All the doors are open. You can see everything. Not a great experience. Anyways, so then he ends up coming in with the nurse and got, of course, I'll be back. Alright, so anyways, sorry about that. The dang air conditioner. They come in with all the supplies to give him stitches, and he goes to clean it and like rubs it like aggressively. Like, I get that you have to clean the wound, but oh, it was awful. I was in tears. He was screaming at the top of his lungs. And then he goes to get the numbing shots, and he ended up giving him, I think, 5 shots. And you have to go in like under the wound so that it's all completely numb. And he was screaming at the top of his lungs. 3 nurses came in there because it was loud, like ear piercing, which I get. It's shots. I get it. And said, do you need help in here? And we're like, no, we got it. But yeah, it was a bad time. And he ended up getting 6 stitches. And it's now Saturday, Sunday, whatever. And he still can't put pressure on it. Like, he can't walk. I have to carry him everywhere. It's just super fun. We've been cleaning it and doing the dressing around it, changing it. So that's been fine, but poor guy. He's supposed to start soccer in like 2 weeks, and I don't know if that's going to happen. So I'm probably just out that money. Alright, so Friday, what else am I supposed to do? I was going to work out after work since he will be home. There, and then I think that's it for Friday. Oh wait, I have to do Grace's dance class. I keep forgetting that I have to sub for her because she's in a boot because her foot's all messed up. So, and that's at 10:15. So we will put that. I need to center that. I'm so weird about my stickers being centered, so I'm going to push this down a little bit. Do this. Totally forgot I had her class. Which I really love this group of ladies. They're older, and like their request is like the Cupid Shuffle and like super easy things. Like my normal class is super high intensity, lots of squats, lots of jumping, lots of you know, punching and shaking booties, and they're not about that. They just want it easy, almost like walk up, walk back, walk side to side, and they're a fun class. I like them. All right, so I think that's it for Friday. Where did I put that? This is not his birthday. It's on the 22nd. So this is my cousin's birthday. He doesn't live near us, but I will definitely call him or text him. All right, so Saturday I do have to work. So this is going to be 8 to 10, my first client, and I'm still good with these two, or I guess these three clients. I'm good. I keep like rejecting their calls for, hey, we need coverage. Sorry, not today. Not by me. I know that's probably awful, but it is what it is. So since he goes to work at 3, I will probably film this so he can keep an eye on him. Film next week's plan with me. There. And then all we have for Sunday is the parade. So the parade starts at 10, but we usually like to get there early. But now we only live like a block away from like the starting point. So we might just walk down there and set up. Like they literally close down our town and go through the whole town on the 2 main streets and have a nice big parade. So that's fun. All right, so when am I going to do my cleaning? I am going to guess Saturday. Usually Saturday I do my cleaning. She has a to clean here. So let's go ahead and do that. It'll be sometime in the evening while he's at work. And then I just usually make a checklist of all the things that I clean. And then I need to put these playlists, make playlist for my classes. So Friday, make a playlist, Thursday, and Tuesday. Alright, I think that's just about it. I have my trash in there. I love how pretty kits look. I miss them so much. So next Monday he'll get his stitches out, and then I'm going to a concert. So I think that's about it. I really love this. Absolutely love it. And if you don't know or seen last week, I use these stencils. I got them off Amazon. They were in like a pack of 12 or something. So I use this box here for there, and then these little flags for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then I might put my little like focus of the day, what I want to work out, and then like I said, my steps go in here. I've been doing really good. I'm excited to take my measurements on the 1st because I can definitely tell I'm slimming down. My weight's not going down much. I think I've lost like 3 pounds in the past 2 weeks, but I can definitely tell my body's changing, and I think that has to do with like working out and, oh, did I forget? Yep. And just using different muscles. So that is it for this week's plan with me. Sorry it was super chatty, but that's what you get this week. I will see you in my next plan with me, and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye.